We are going back to the basics today for anyone who has never made a marble cake. This one's for you. It's really never been easier with my bakery style yellow cake recipe that gets mixed up by hand all in one bowl. It's basically just pouring the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and you're done. Well, not really, because we have to take out 1 cup, just about 1 cup of that vanilla batter to make the chocolate marble. And simply whisking some hot water and oil into a bit of cocoa powder and then adding that right into the vanilla batter, instant chocolate swirl. I am not even messing around with 3 layers today. This one is going to be good old home style 8-inch layers. Now get them into the oven and they're going to bake for just about 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that my cakes are baked and cooled, I do have to trim off one of them because one was a little bit bigger than the other, but that's what we call chef snack. Just look at this beautiful marble and the texture of this cake. It is so moist and fluffy. You are going to love this. While they're baking, I can go ahead and mix up my buttercream recipe, and I do have several recipes for you to choose from on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com. Today I decided to go for the Swiss meringue buttercream, and once again I have to make a small portion of that chocolate for my decor. Now this part is optional, and I'm going to do the same thing, but only hot water this time, no oil, into some cocoa powder for a perfect cocoa paste to whisk right into your buttercream recipes for instant chocolate buttercream. Well, there you go, guys. It doesn't get any easier or more delicious than recipes out of Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. So be sure to head over to my website, grab the written printable form, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.